My name is Graham Rennie and I'm the project manager on the Quartermill development in Edinburgh. This is a £500 million development. It is the redevelopment of what used to be the Royal Infirmary in the centre of Edinburgh.
My name's Jill Smiley. I'm a hairdresser from Musselburgh in East Lothian, and I've established my salon for 3 years now. The issues that we had within the business is the building was experiencing damp and mould growth. Initially we were looking for a company that could sort out the problem for us but also provide us with great service. Richardson and Starling came across as the most professional company.
We have an ongoing relationship with Richardson and Starling. We've used them on a number of projects across this development over the years. But we have one building on site, which is a Grade A listed building from the 18th century. The building had some degree of both dry rot and wet rot. So Richardson and Starling are actively removing any affected fabric and treating it before replacing any structural timbers with new.
Day-to-day run of the business was only impacted before the work was carried out due to the smell and the issues that we had. The work itself probably only took 2 to 3 days, and the rest of the time was spent just tidying up afterwards.
The chaps on site have been very good. We've worked with all the other contractors who are physically on site at the moment and worked harmoniously with them. The quality has been good, they've been clean and tidy, and given the nature of the work that they're doing, that's testament to the individuals that are involved.
Overall, I found the service was highly professional, of a really good standard, and I would definitely recommend Richardson and Starling again.
Richardson and Starling have understood our brief on this project. They've worked very closely with us to achieve a solution that suited us, and from that perspective, without shadow of a doubt, we would recommend Richardson and Starling.